Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Buick Encore GX? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Encore GX. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 Buick Encore GX houses essential fuses and relays that protect the vehicle's major electrical components, such as the engine and cooling systems. It is designed for easy access and is labeled for quick identification of circuits. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 Buick Encore GX provides power protection for the vehicle's interior electronics, such as the infotainment system, interior lighting, and power windows. It features easy-to-access fuses behind a removable panel near the driver's side, with labels for quick identification. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 Buick Encore GX manages electrical power for rear components such as the rear lights, power liftgate, and rear wiper. It is designed for easy access within the cargo area, behind a removable side panel, and includes labeled fuses for straightforward identification and replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse. DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low profile fuse. A Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage. Link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.